Are you ready to discover a world of incredible apps that will revolutionize your digital experience? Get ready, because today we have an amazing lineup of 6 apps that are guaranteed to make your life easier and more rewarding. So buckle up and join us on this exciting journey of app exploration. Number 1. On My Way. Let's kick things off with an app that not only promotes safe driving, but also rewards you for your responsible behavior on the road. Meet On My Way, the ultimate companion for your journeys. This remarkable app is specifically designed to prevent distracted driving by incentivizing users to stay off their phones while driving. How does it work? It's simple. Before you start your drive, activate On My Way, and for every minute you resist the urge to use your phone, you earn valuable points. These points can then be redeemed for a wide range of exciting rewards, including exclusive discounts, special offers, and much more. With On My Way, safe driving becomes a habit and a rewarding experience. Number 2. Receipt Jar. Say goodbye to the hassle of managing stacks of paper receipts and losing track of your expenses. Introducing Receipt Jar, the smart and convenient way to stay organized. With Receipt Jar, you can effortlessly digitize your receipts by simply scanning them with your phone's camera. But it doesn't stop there. The app takes it a step further by automatically categorizing and organizing your receipts. Need to track your spending? No problem. Receipt Jar provides you with comprehensive tools to monitor your expenses, manage your budget, and even generate detailed expense reports. Stay on top of your financial life and make tracking your expenses a breeze with Receipt Jar. Number 3. Surveys on the Go. Have you ever wanted to share your opinion and get rewarded for it? Look no further than Surveys on the Go, the app that values your insights. This user-friendly app connects you with market research surveys tailored to your interests and demographics. It's like having your own virtual research panel right at your fingertips. The best part? You can earn real cash or gift cards simply by completing surveys on various topics, from consumer products to entertainment and beyond. Your opinion matters, and Surveys on the Go ensures that you're rewarded for sharing it. Get ready to shape the future with your valuable input and get rewarded for your time with Surveys on the Go. Number 4. Be My Eyes. Prepare to make a positive impact in someone's life with Be My Eyes, an extraordinary app that harnesses the power of technology to assist those with visual impairments. Through live video calls, Be My Eyes connects blind or visually impaired individuals with sighted volunteers like you. With a simple tap on your screen, you can lend your sight to help with everyday tasks such as reading labels, identifying objects, or even navigating unfamiliar surroundings. Be My Eyes is more than just an app. It's a platform that brings people together, fostering a sense of inclusivity and empathy. Make a difference in someone's life by becoming a sighted volunteer with Be My Eyes. Number 5. Game Hag. Attention all gaming enthusiasts. Get ready to level up your gaming experience with Game Hag, the ultimate destination for rewards and gaming opportunities. With Game Hag, playing and testing mobile and online games not only brings you joy, but also earns you virtual currency. As you accumulate this currency, you unlock a world of exciting rewards, including gift cards, gaming accessories, in-game items, and much more. Whether you're a casual gamer or a dedicated player, Game Hag offers a unique way to enhance your gaming journey and get rewarded for your gaming skills. Get ready to reap the rewards and take your gaming to new heights with Game Hag. Number 6. PollPay. Saving the best for last, we present the highest paying app on our list, PollPay. If you enjoy sharing your opinions and earning rewards, this app is tailor-made for you. PollPay connects you with a wide range of paid surveys covering various topics. By simply sharing your thoughts and insights, you can accumulate valuable points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. PollPay values your time and ensures that your voice is heard, while providing generous rewards in return. Get ready to be heard and rewarded for your opinions and insights with PollPay. Share your thoughts and earn rewards with PollPay. And there you have it, 6 incredible apps that are poised to transform your digital life. From promoting safe driving with On My Way to keeping your receipts organized with Receipt Jar, and from sharing your opinions and earning rewards with Surveys on the Go and PollPay to making a positive impact with Be My Eyes. These apps are ready to revolutionize the way you interact with your digital world. So don't wait any longer, download these apps and embark on a journey of convenience, rewards, and making a difference. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting app reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay absolutely awesome.